Hello, today I'm very excited to bring to you an honest review of this natural marble soap dish here. This is great to go ahead and have in your shower or even in your kitchen if you want to go ahead and use hand soap, or if you're in the shower using shower soap. So this is a great soap rack right here. This is the model Calicata White Wave Slots. That's what the color is. And as you can see, it's got really cool marbling throughout. That's what the other side's looking like. I love how it has like these non-slip grips down here at the bottom. So when I rest it down, as you can see, I have to move it pretty hard for it to move at all. And it's not gonna make a loud noise just because it has these grips on the bottom. But if you were to put it down like this way, it's a lot louder, and I don't wanna, scratch up any of the marbling, so it's cool it has the grips. So it's got these nice little tray lines right here, which is absolutely amazing for your bar of soap, and it's just absolutely great. So if you wanna go ahead and get yourself a nice stone drying tray, definitely check this one out right here. So when you're in your shower, you can go ahead, put this next to your shower, and whenever you're done with your bar of soap, go ahead and lay it on here, and it does a great job. Definitely check out XQ's if you're interested in a nice natural marble soap dish.